You some people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm back with another video, a magic video again. So this time for my magic I will require a deck of cards, which is in my phone. You can see it's my phone. So I will require this. So I'm going to take it from my mobile because I don't have the set of cards. So oh my OMG God, I literally took it out of the mobile. So yeah. So here I have my father with me today.
Everybody.
And the deck of cards. So it's gonna be the same thing which what I did last time, but it's a bit of twist. I'll tell you afterwards. Start, okay?
Okay.
Apologies.
Stop. So guys, this is the card, and let's see whether he can find it out this time or not.
I will.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's go for it.
So keep it back here. So guys, I don't see the card at all. The card is in the deck. I'm gonna shuffle it.
Shuffle it properly.
Yeah. By the way, if it's then why don't we shuffle it?
Give me, I will also shuffle.
Yeah, sure. So I'm giving it to him. Shuffle.
I'm also
He's
shuffling, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Guys, you also shuffle. So stay stable and just think about the card in your mind.
Okay.
Okay, understood. I should not be wrong. This is a card.
Oh my God. Guys,
Guys.
you decide. Is it the same card? Yes, this is the card.
So
But now you have to tell me how did you find it?
no, I'm not. Magic is a magic. I'm not going to reveal it. Only, guys, I will surely reveal it only if I get, okay, keep 15 likes in this video. I will tell how I did this magic trick, all the magic tricks I'm starting to till now. So yeah, the twist I told you was that last time I was just seeing this and I told the card he had, but this time I was just seeing this. You know the back part of it, you can see. So there's no this thing that if I tell him to put this upside down, then I'll get to know. It's all the same. You put it like this or like this. So yeah guys, this was the first magic. Now I even have a second magic, so I'll get the things for that. Yeah guys, so for this magic trick, I have got a book with me. You can see it's a normal book. He'll be using this page. Okay, I'm using this page and even a pen. Okay, so basically use this pen. Okay, I'll tell him to write few things. Okay, you have to position it such that I don't see all that, whatever is written on it. Okay, yeah, that's good. And whatever I told, just write it. Okay, follow, listen properly and follow it. And after every step, just show it to the camera close. Okay, yeah. So first, you have to choose any 5-digit number. It between 1 to 10, and it shouldn't repeat. Like it shouldn't be all 5 times. 4, 4, 4, 4. Or it shouldn't even repeat 2 times. It should be only 1 time. 4 is there, only 1 time in the number. 3 is there, only 1 time in the number. Okay, so 1 to 10, you pick any card and don't show it to me. Okay, show it to the camera.
5 digit.
5 digit. Take your time and write. Okay.
So guys, this is the 5-digit number I have written. Hope it's clear.
So guys, this is the number. Okay.
Okay. Now what to do?
Yeah. Now what you have to do is that 5-digit number. You have to shuffle it. Like suppose the number is 56218. You should jumble the whole thing. 81256. Anyway, reverse
Same
it.
number.
Same number is reverse it, jumble it, and just write it below it how you subtract. Okay, because you have to subtract. Just write below it and just subtract it. Okay, like just first write the jumbled number just below it and then show the camera. Okay, so take it.
Okay, wait.
Guys, I'm a little nervous for this one because I'm not very familiar with this thing. I have only done it once with my friends, like tried it, but I haven't done it with anyone. So basically, this is the second time I'm doing it. It may be wrong. I'm not sure, but I'm a bit nervous. But yeah.
Now after that I have to subtract also.
Subtract, yeah. First,
So guys, this is the jumble number which I have written.
Short, straight. Yeah.
This is the same number and it's a jumble number. Now I will subtract it.
After you subtract, I'm going to show it to the camera. Hoping my answer comes correct.
So guys, this is the number after subtraction,
Should probably, yeah.
right?
That's the number. Yeah. So guys, till now I haven't seen the number at all. So now, Papa, what you have to do is, suppose the number is 35218.
Okay.
For example, if it is, after subtracting the number is 35218, suppose, then what you have to do is you have to add 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8. Okay, in the same order, or like however, anyway, it doesn't matter.
All number I have to add.
Yeah. Like the answer after subtraction, you have to add it, like 35218 with 3 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 8, and write the answer. Hope this comes correct, guys.
Yes.
We done?
Yeah. This, guys, I have added. I hope it's clear. And this is the number it's coming.
Okay. So now what you have to do is after addition the number you got. Suppose you got 99. For example, it wouldn't have come. If it would have even come 99, you have to add that 9 plus 9. If it's 11, 1 plus 1, 2. Like that. If it's 5, 5 plus 5. Okay, and yet don't tell me the answer.
Guys, this is what I have. This is the number. This is what I have added, and this is what is coming. Hope it's clear here.
So guys, till now I haven't seen the number at all. So, if I'm not wrong, your answer shall be, you have to think it.
I know my answer. You tell me.
Okay, I mean that think it in your mind. I will read your mind and tell you.
You read my mind.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay, tell me.
Okay. So it shall be 9. Is it?
Tell me again.
9.
Guys, this is the answer. And this is what he is saying. So both are matching. It is 9.
So guys, I did not see. He literally scared me. This is the answer. He literally scared me so much. Anyway, so guys, see, I did not see the number at all. And I told 9. So see, this is the answer what he's getting, 9. After all this calculation, I did not at all see any one calculation of his, and I got to know the answer, 9. Yeah, so guys, hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you want me to reveal how I did it, show how I did it, even the last thing, I want at least 15 likes on this video. If you complete, so just complete 15 likes fast on this video. If you do, I will reveal the magic trick. Okay, so hope you like this video. Again, like, share and subscribe. Okay, till that, bye bye.